Good morning to all and all present here. Now I am going to take the topic about software design. In this software design, we have to know about the basic of this software design, in depth of software engineering. On regarding this software design, we have to know about the goodness of software design, fundamental independence and cohesion and coupling, and first function oriented design versus object oriented design. First of all, we have to know about this software design. Back to this SRS document, we have to know that SRS document is the main document for creating our design structure. In this design structure, we have to transform from the SRS document based on this programming language. We have to know about this designing phase, about the items which were created in this software structure. The module structure, control relationship among the modules and interface among the different modules, data structures of these individual modules, algorithms for this individual modules. We have to know about the module structure basics. In this module structure, we have to associate the data in the individual modules and exchange among these different modules. We have to use that relationship to call the datas and invocate the datas. If you have to exchange the data based on this module structure. So we have to know that module 1, module 2, module 3 and module 5, module 6. In this module 1, first module 1, we have to create the two structures M2 and M3, and module 2, based on this parent node, we have to create the 3 child node M4, M5 and M6. Based on this modules, we have to associate the data structure. So associate data structure, we have to know the several several functions are associated with this module F1, F2, F3, F4, F5. Based on this function, we have to associate the data G1, G2, G3. So based on this software design, the procedures are arrived in this step-by-step iterations. Which are all the step-by-step iterations based on this design? We have to continue in these 2 stages designed in this main activity. One is the preliminary design and another one is a detailed design. In this preliminary designs, based on these high-level designs, preliminary designs is based on these high-level designs. We have to identify the modules and we have to control the relationship among the modules and we have to interface among the modules. Based on this high level designs, there are more concerns to you have to control the control between the modules. After that, you have to know about this detailed design. In this detailed design, we have to mention the data which we are occurred in this functions, which are occurred in this function. In these high level functions, based on this program structure, basically we have to consider as a software architecture. We have to use the structured chart like a tree structure diagram available in this high level design. We have to mention the structured chart and use the modules to propagate the data. After that, you have to check the detailed design. In this detailed design, each modules can be considered as a data structure, and based on this algorithm, you have to mention the algorithm codes and use the structure, and you have to use the structurable chart. Mainly we have to specify the module and data to associate with the functions. So based on these methods, we have to classify the design methodologies. One is an procedural and another one is an object oriented and as accept oriented or component oriented, like client server model. We can easily identify the client server model. So for that we are using this analysis versus design. We have to analyze these techniques and elaborate the customer requirement through the careful thinking. So we have to avoid making any of these decisions regarding the implementation, and after that you have to design the module for the analysis model through the transformations over the steps regarding this implementations. So for that we are using this good designs. How can we create a good designs? What are all the bad designs we have to omit in this software technologies? Based on this good design, it should be very unique way to be design this methodology. We have to arrive at the very different design solutions. For that we have to implement all functionalities of the system correctly. We can easily understandable, and it should be very efficient way, and you have to easily implement, easily adaptable to change, and easily you can be maintainable. It should be very closer, and this way of design can easily appraised for our data or our structures design. So there are the two better designs are arrived in this software designs. We can based on this design we can easily understand our data, and we can easily maintain our data, and we can easily change, and it should be maintainable. So better designs to be understand, we have to need to maintain this concept, and 60% of efforts have to spend for this maintenance. It is the software is not easy to understand, so we have to increase many times to increase and give the effort for this maintenance, and it can be easily understandability with a meaningful components based on this principle. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.